In a previous video, I was describing what is a PMO, so what is a project management office, and how you can describe, understand PMO types, PMO functions, and also I'm going to describe what are suggested steps or best practices to develop your PMO implementation plan and to adopt project management in your organization. In this video, I want to highlight some of the benefits of a PMO and describe why do you need a PMO in your organization. Of course, not all organizations need a PMO, but it's important that you understand the benefits, the functions, how you can use so that you can describe. So first of all, why do we need project management anyway? So you probably heard about project management, maybe you are very familiar with the PMBOK guide, Prince2, other methodologies. And project management is about temporary endeavors. So we have a project, an initiative, and then we manage this temporary endeavor in a way that we can achieve a specific objective or unique results, which means we are creating something new and we are helping the organization in achieving strategic objectives. When we think about organizational strategy, we need projects in order to move forward toward our objectives. If you think about an organization, we probably have traditional organizations where we do high-level strategic planning, for example, and then probably you're not going to see any of the results unless we have the execution. So strategy executions happens at the tactical level and the operational level. When we think about strategic planning, you probably want to grow revenue, increase profitability, you want innovation, new products, customer success, whatever other objectives you have. Maybe you're using a balanced scorecard or any kind of strategic planning. And in order to have the results at the operational level, we have operations and we have the projects. So projects are, let's say, those special initiatives different from current operations. So if you have operations, probably you have accounts payable, accounts receivable, you have the services you provide and all of that. And projects means change, means that we are going to build something new and we are going after the project to integrate those results into the operational. And because we have a large number of projects in the organization nowadays and thinking about transformation, change and all of that, we have an increasing number of projects. And according to PMI, in the Pulse of the Professional, PMI 2017, and we also have new information in the 2020 Pulse of the Professional, it is important that you take a look at this so that you understand the trends and the benefits we have in project management. And in 2017, the organizations that had a PMO increased 38% success rates in their projects. That means 38% more projects achieved the original or met the original goals, the original schedule, budget, and so on. So the project management office, the first benefit is that it increases maturity in the organization, project management maturity. And maturity means proficiency, means we are better. We can repeat success, we can follow the processes, follow the steps and repeat those steps so that we can increase our success rates in our projects. This is the first benefit, that we can increase maturity, and more maturity means higher success rates. This is very important in our organizations. The second benefit, why do you need a PMO? So the second benefit is that at the tactical level, so PMO at the tactical level, it can help the organization in prioritizing, selecting the best projects, balancing the portfolios, and also helping the organization in understanding capacity for execution. So the second benefit is that at the tactical level, departmental PMOs or sometimes enterprise PMOs, they can help you in portfolio selection, portfolio prioritization. So project and portfolio selection and prioritization, which means we are going to select the right projects. Not only doing project management right, but also selecting the right projects, the best projects that fit into the organizational strategy. So here we have capacity planning, here we have portfolio, here we also have the project management methodology and all other functions that are going to help the organization in achieving the objectives in a more efficient way through project management. So the second benefit is portfolio management, and we also have the standardization of project management, which means we will be able to consolidate information, understand what is going in all the different projects we have in our organization. This is the third benefit I see when we are implementing a PMO. So why do you need a PMO? If your organization is struggling with proficiency, maturity, or your organization, you're not sure if you're executing the best projects, you do not know if you have good prioritization, selection, prioritization processes, and if you need to improve project management, best practices, adopt standard methodology, templates, so that you have project management governance, actually project portfolio management governance, then you need a PMO in your organization. This is what we have as PMOs. Stay tuned for the next videos. I'm going to describe a little bit more about the different types of PMOs, how we can implement project management offices successfully in your organization, and also how you can select and change the best mix of functions so that your PMO deliver better value, more value to your stakeholders. Share this video, leave your comments, and let me know how you're doing in project management in your organization. If you're implementing a PMO, let me know any challenges you have so that I can help you in addressing those challenges in the next videos.